we're all packed up, ready to go. But we do have to try something out. We just bought this thing.
Oh, he's smiling.
You like that, Damian? Okay, let's go.
Just before the holidays, Damian, Brock, and I took a road trip to Arizona to attend the Wylder Nation Foundation Gala. The Wylder Nation Foundation is the nonprofit that is developing the treatment for Damian's rare disease, and all of the donations we are raising from the Please Save Damian campaign goes directly to them. This was our first time going to the gala, and we were all super excited. Though I think Damian was most excited just to get out of the car after a very long drive.
It's 11:30. Damian, did you not sleep that whole time?
Stretch.
Yay, Damian. Stretch and stretch. You like this bed? Do you like this bed? Damian. Oh my goodness. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Arizona house. It's not ours. But fun fact, we did stay here one other time. This is actually where we spent our honeymoon. It's been 8 years. Time flies. Okay, we're on our way to get Brock a suit coat. Suit coat? Is that what you call
Sport
it?
jacket, right?
Sport jacket. It is gala day. We have a lot to do. I still have to pick out a dress. I have to come up with what I'm gonna say when they hand me the microphone for 2 minutes. Brock, why are you trying on things that don't fit you? You just wanted so badly for this one to work. Okay, Brock, how did we do?
You know, I think we did all right.
Let's go home and try everything on. Okay, I went with the black dress. Brock?
Yep.
Tell us about your outfit.
My outfit is inspired by the landscape of which we are all encompassed by.
All right, Damian is wearing a white shirt, black vest. We're ready to go. Let's go. Did you want to finish?
The pants and shoes are representative of the...
He's amazing. He is the sweetest, snuggliest boy you will ever meet. And I'm honored to be his mom. Damian is our first and only child. He was diagnosed in 2021, and I was obviously devastated. I spent a couple of days on the floor, but then I quickly went into research mode. I searched the internet for anyone who had any information about treatment in development, how far along it was, and if there was even the slightest possibility that it could help my son. I was looking for the smallest sliver of hope. I contacted the National Niemann-Pick Disease Foundation. I contacted Dr. Wasserstein, who we saw on the video. She's the expert on patients with this disease. And I contacted a parent that I found on Instagram by searching hashtags. They all got back to me about the same time with the same direction. Go to the Wylder Nation Foundation and talk to them as soon as you can. I'm so glad they did that right away. At that point, I was so ready to do whatever it took to start the treatment myself and do anything I could to save my son. And when I did get connected with Wylder Nation, I was so grateful that they were already 10 years ahead of me. And that's not even counting the decades of individual experience each of these scientists, doctors, and researchers that they all had before the Wylder Nation Foundation brought them together to work as a team. In just the 2.5 years that our family has been fighting ASMD, a lot of progress has been made. And in that video that we just watched, Damian was on no treatments at the time. There were no treatments available. And he's now on 2 treatments. And we have never had more hope for his future. And Wylder Nation is full of individuals that truly appreciate how precious each one of these children are. And they are just as hungry as I am to finally be able to treat this disease. And they are infinitely more capable than me. I know firsthand the kind of progress that is possible through the generosity of people like you, events like this. And so I'm so grateful to be here tonight, and so grateful for each of you who made the choice to be here tonight. And I'm so excited to see what we can all accomplish together tonight. We're going to make a huge difference tonight, so I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
These drugs are extending and improving the quality of our children's lives. Make no mistake, this is only the beginning. There is still so much more research and development that needs to happen in order to someday eradicate this horrendous disease. Because of the work that the Wylder Nation Foundation is pioneering, we are getting closer and closer to achieving that goal every single day. Last month, Roman turned 5. Foundation for helping to give us precious time and memories of our children.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
Good morning! We had a very fun night last night, and we are now on our way back. But we do have to make a stop. I have heard that there is a billboard with Damian on it in Arizona, and I think we have to go and find it. Right, Brock?
I agree.
Let's go find it.
hanging out in the middle of this field, watching this billboard. We'll see if it comes up. Everything. Tell us anything you want us to know.
The pants and shoes are reminiscent of the desert sand and stone that surrounds us on all sides, the unrelenting, unforgiving landscape that is the Arizona desert. Whereas the blues up top will bring our thoughts to the beautiful blue open skies, which we see depending on different times of the day or the year. You get that lighter blue with that darker, deeper blue.
At the same time?
At the same time.
You're just talking about day and night there.
You can have both at the same time.